Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, I'm going to decorate 2 pieces of 9-foot garland, and I'm going to place this on my very front porch. And to add some color and some wow factor to this garland, I bought this flower, and I bought all this product from a place called Peppermint Forest here in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's kind of like a little boutique of Christmas store for us. They decorate maybe 20 different type of trees and have lots of garland and ornaments and lights, and they just fill the tree completely. I just love that place, so glad that I have that locally here. So this is what my flower looks like, and I'm not sure really what type of flower you would call this. I'm thinking maybe a peony. And then I got some holiday balls that are going to go with it, and I thought these played really well with each other. This sparkly red with the sparkly red here in the middle. So I thought they would be really pretty. So I'm gonna separate this garland and get it all straightened out because it just came out of the box. This already had pre-lit lights to it, and I think it has 100 lights on this 9-foot garland. But I'm gonna place one of these at the very end, like so, and well, maybe I'll do this towards the end and then this right here. So I'll kind of weave these down into the end like this, and this one like so. And I need to go to the store and get me some wire so I can wrap these around so they'll stay in place. But that's something similar to what I'm going to do right there, if you guys can see that. And I'll bring the camera up closer when I start to get working here. And I also thought I would add some of my limelight hydrangeas that I have dried. I thought that would be a pretty element to it too. And I may, if I feel like I need a little bit more color, which I think that just gives a really natural look. Do you think? And I even thought about spraying them gray, like a gold color, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think they're going to look really pretty, just natural, and this will give it a little bit of this dark green, a little bit of contrast. So inside this garland, it also has pine cones, and it has some natural other pieces of fern here already added to this garland. So I'm going to start fluffing up, and then I need to go to the store and get me some wire so I can make these ornaments stay in place, and I hope it's beautiful at the end. Okay friends, we got all the garland all fluffed out, and of course it was all twisted, so I was able to get it to lay flat, so it'll lay flat against the front of the easement. Just want to show you up close how gorgeous this garland is just by itself, with these pine cones, the lights. Has a little bit of extra different type of fern in there. So I'm so in love with this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. These balls with the glitter on it mixed with the pine cones and the wow factor this flower gives me, and those lovely natural spent blooms of the limelight hydrangeas. Just looks gorgeous with this greenery. So I have 4 of these and 4 of these, and of course I have several of the limelight hydrangeas that I'm going to use to decorate the rest of this garland. So excited. So I divided this garland into halves, and this is my halfway point right here. So I put 2 limelight hydrangeas here, and then these decorations are going this way, and then at my halfway point these decorations are going that way. So if you're hanging this on like a fireplace, I think this would give you a more element of surprise and more pleasing to the eye when it's like this. Now I'm not sure what it's going to look like when I get this garland 10 feet up onto my porch, but I think it's going to look lovely no matter which directions these ornaments are going. So that's all that you did was see me tie all those stems off with this wire here on the back side, so they'll be nice and secure and won't pull out, as you can see. And let me turn it over on the other side, and you can tell where I secured it with the wire there. So all the stems are connected to the wire, so they're not going to fall out when they're hung overhead on our porch area. It's just a little messy. So now I'm just going to have my husband hang this on the front porch. Since these dried flowers and artificial flowers are going to be in the outside element, I bought this Krylon Ultra Floral Protectant. And I'm going to tell you what it says. It says that it provides a durable, non-yellowing, clear coating that protects from fading, dirt, moisture, and discoloration. You can use it on dried fabric, silk flowers, wood, paper mache, and more. So I bought this at Kirkland's. Got this garland all hung yesterday, and this is what the front porch looks like. So I'm gonna come back to the street just to show you what this looks like from the street. So I really like it. I think it looks very unique, very tasteful, looks expensive. It gives it that wow factor that I was looking for from the street. I love that it has the lights on there. Tell me in comments if you like it. What do you think? Let me bring it up closer. So the garland at the very top, we hung with the hooks that were very similar to the hooks that we hung the balls. They were like a 2.5 or 2.25 inch hook, white hook. And then he also zip tied the wreath up there to the hooks also. So the flowers are artificial, and the limelight hydrangeas are mine from my garden that are the spent blooms, and I just cut those and preserved them before they got real brown.